Okay, station 3 is dealing with Domino's. So a large pizza from Domino's has a radius of 7 inches, which just means like one slice, the long side of one slice, or either side of the slice should probably have a radius of about 7 inches. And how many square inches of pizza does a large pizza from Domino's have? So it doesn't ask you for the area directly, but it does. When it asks you for square inches, that would be a label for area. So you would need to figure out what the area is. So the formula that we need here doesn't involve circumference, it actually involves area. So the formula for area of a circle is area equals pi, about 3.14, times r squared. So what we need to do from here, squared. What we need to do from here is we know what r is, right? The radius is 7 inches. So all we have to do is plug in 7 for r, and that's it. The only variable left would be a, since pi is not a variable. So if we did this on our calculator, right, we would just do, so I'll rewrite it. Area is equal to pi times 7 squared. And you could do this out. 7 squared is 7 times 7. So that's going to be 49. So 49 times pi is the same thing as pi times 49. You just rewrite it so that the pi is after typically. But that's actually an exact answer, right? That's a perfect answer, meaning it's not rounded at all. So 49 pi, 7 is in inches, so it would be inches squared. So, inches squared would be a perfect label. Kind of sounds weird. Nobody in the real world would tell you that the area of a pizza is 49 pi inches squared. So if you wanted to do it on a calculator, you could take the pi button if you have it, or you could just use 3.14. So pi times 7 squared. So 7 squared. And that would give you, 153.9 square inches is the same thing as 49 pi square inches. Now, if you use 3.14, so if we use 3.14 instead of pi, which is okay, so if we did times 7 squared, we would get something around the same thing, just that pi is a little bit better of a number, it has more decimals, so that's the reason for the discrepancy. So either way, it's about 153.9 inches squared, or square inches.